Mpanda me the lomma. One your check up your so. After you, before you, still you na investor where other investors they see the side you. To I am when your bag draw the coin so. There someone mana. Yeah, eat up one eye. Atana folk, we may go enjoy. There goes. Uma kosa de na ema agwa ebu na English so na de.
When will you start having respect to this boy?
Shut up now. Melensi, this one that you came, I hope all is well.
Ata. Ala jokwa wa. Ala jokwa wa we. Ala so ebo. Ojo se ra da so ebo na pi we.
I don't have young one. Ever since you came here and took young one, we've not seen young one.
Eh? I don't understand. How many times will you marry?
Ah, say this. It's a boss. Mamugu asim tebe nwam no.
I've not seen young one. I've not seen your sister since then now.
It's a boss.
Remember?
It's a boss.
No.
Mba. It's a kamuli gifim pide na.
Mba, no.
It's a $100 kitana.
No, sir.
Eh? Where be far?
Eh? Every time you be talking.
It's a what come on that trouble.
I don't understand this thing.
Listen, sit down first. Sit down. Since you came to this house, that day you came to this house, you took my sister. I have not seen my sister ever since then. This is the only sister in my house now. Others are in school. Eh? I don't know where she is. I don't know where Yongwa is now. Eh?
Ata. Akana squara you. Akana squara you. Taulo. Ma wagi kosi. Wagi kosi ade. Wagi kosi na anas. Nka nwa ma anọ ya mme edolu nke mfo. Oh, come on, tell him come for. Atelu mbala.
You want to take this one?
Hey! You be mumu. I think we should strategize this one. Like let them be a competition.
Okay, you know what?
Yes.
I think if you want to take this, my sister, we'll have a challenge for you.
Yes.
If you can be able to win this challenge, I will give you my sister and you carry and go.
Peacefully.
I will bring out food for you. If you are able to finish the food before somebody, then you can take my sister. No problem.
Hey!
Jesus!
Okay. I go kundute na abi.
Spanner can do it. Yes. This is your challenger. If you can be able to finish this semo, this fufu before him, I'll give you my sister here. No problem. Over.
Bye, yawa. Aga, eri go bunni. It's a food competition. Na Mozambique. Wa first. Jene yalone wa first.
Start!
Hey! Hey!
You be mumu. I told you he's going to win. Spanner! Yes! Spanner! Don't worry.
I told you! He's doing it! Spanner!
funding now. Now, our sister is safe now.
Thank God for spanner.
Yes.
Wow.
Our sister is safe.
Wow.
He has not even touched his own.
Yes. Wow. Thank you, spanner. Oh, thank God.
He did it in 1 second.
Oh, you said spanner is okay. Don't eat the garlic. Don't eat the garlic. You won already. Thank you. Who is the winner?
You guys can be going. You can go.
So, spanner, thank you so much. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our warrior.
Warrior!
Our warrior.
You can go back.
I'll go back now.
Go back. Yes. In-law, you lost. You can go now, please.
We share fella.
Me say yeah, the format. Don't worry, I will take it away. You guys can go.
Oga, you make your own challenge. You make your own challenge. Omwa bo melons o ya me pass watching aka we some tom board. Na wata. Oga ta ma lu this no so long to nwata kia. Miansi aka your god. Iche your boss o. Nwa acha.
Papa wa.
Nwa acha wa.
I just na fake I na gare.
Meta go de gale first.
Papa can sign.
Hey! Ofe egusi o.
Say na feel ofe meta ku gare my pass.
Ofe egusi. Jesus. Alala. E da passa de na moto. Na ni igwe ya.
Don't understand.
You don't understand. Our own challenge now. So I is go pop ta ngo unli ya. Unli aburu na ya liwe una eri anyu na.
It's I don't know why you're always like this. Agreement is agreement now. Why are you doing like this now?
Oga, abuni listen to my own eri anya again na. In fact, you're by Chelsea. You're by Chelsea.
Na anya na to we na.
Sir?
Onye ọbụla you're by Chelsea. Onye ọcha you're by Chelsea ozugbo.
But what?
It's all by all way or by gentle way.
Okay. Oh, my phone. Oh, phone.
I never touching I'm there. I'm never this Snapchat.
It's good. Collect his own. It's not I just sent him.
I got that phone.
Hey. So.
Even your phone, give my phone password.
Give your phone now.
Give my phone.
You want to do challenge with this?
Password.
When we phone now, you don't tell my phone the password.
Hey, Papa.
I'm going 2-5 na make offer.
But this thing that you're doing is not good somehow.
Button. Awawa.
Hey.
Follow him now.
Follow him, please. I don't want problem. Follow him. Go. Go now. Go.
Okay, go.
Other side.
Yes. Your challenge is very nice.
Yeah.
Nobody can challenge you on this one.
You like the challenge?
No, the challenge is fine. Okay?
Yes.
Nice challenge.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice doing business.
Thank you, sir.
Nice doing business with
It's
you.
a pleasure.
You know, say I go still come back again.
Sir?
I'm man at theater. No way,
Again?
Oh, customer care.
Oh, you come again?
I'll come again.
Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting, sir. Nice doing business.
no,
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Please, nice.
It's okay. You can go.
Bye
Bye-bye. Don't worry, that's in-law. Bye-bye. Fabelo Mbaga.
They are coming back for the child education.
Oh, child education, no problem. We'll be waiting. Hey.
Me say, I'll put you on it.
We'll be waiting.
What you want to call? I don't like this thing. I should have come.
You know, I just bought this one day before you see.
Nobody should open gate for this boy again. Where's your opening gate for this boy?
Why the dog call us?
Go.